Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, I will show you how to check active contracts on Upwork. First, open the Upwork website or app and log into your account. Go to the My Job section from the top menu. In this section, you will see a tab called Contracts. Click on it to view all your active contracts. Here, you can check details like the client's name, project status, and payments. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.